what is it?
Easter bonnet?
Easter. I couldn't think of that. I wanted a new hat for Easter, and I got the old Myra. We went down the road to across the creek and away on over there to
Mom, where's Dad?
the store, and I bought me a hat and put it on wore it home.
On that horse.
On that horse.
Of course.
You might mess it up if you tried to carry it.
That would have been fun to have that on the video, wouldn't it?
Yeah, that would have been interesting.
I had that pretty hat on, it's full of flowers and everything.
John, the only thing I ever heard mother and daddy fuss about was politics.
Well, what about what?
Politics.
Huh?
And she got a picture of Estes Kefauver one time and put it on his pillow. He started to go to bed and he said, "What's this picture of Kefauver doing here?" She said, "You like him so much, I thought you might like to try sleeping with him."